Hi everyone, I'm Sushant Mangrati. We are from Group 8 and my group members are Akhil Prakash, Mohan Shanti and Prashant Lamichhane. Today we will be talking about our presentation on Silex Part 4, that is on Heroes Comics. So let's begin. So let's begin with the executive summary of our report. So Heroes Comics is one of the largest as well as the fastest growing bookstore located in 186 Dundas Street, London, Ontario. So it is the bookstore which is particularly it's famous for comics and action figures, sports cards, and other collectibles. So our main focus here is that the store is currently facing several challenges with its present inventory management system, which is that it's following manual inventory management system and it's kind of traditional. So the current inventory management system that the bookstore is using has several limitations, which is making the store difficult to operate and efficiently manage its all the stocks. So this report typically outlines the problem that store is facing while managing its inventories and stocks. So this report is mainly focusing today on recommending fundamental and some basic solutions for the bookstores so that the bookstore can thrive in its inventory management. And the proposed system is also introduced in this report, which is designed to be easier and convenient to use for the bookstore. So let's talk about the existing system of the that the bookstore, the Heroes Comics is using, and current challenges that it is facing because of using the current system, which is manual and traditional. So first of all, Heroes Comics, it's currently relying on manual inventory management, and this process mainly consists of staffs or employees who are involved in physically counting the items, writing details on the paper, entering them into a simple spreadsheet, and updating the record stock manually. So the bookstore also uses the alphabetical arrangement system for the books, comics, and other collections. So this method was particularly it was effective. It was running good when the store was small, but as the store is advancing in its size and volume, the store needs to implement the more advanced inventory management system to manage its inventories.
Now let's move to the identified needs of Heroes Comics based on our report. The first one is use of automated systems like Square and Shopify POS, which are very effective for the retail stores like Heroes Comics. The second one is implementation of barcode or RFID for real-time inventory tracking as well as saving time. The next one is organizing products by categories like frequently ordered products, vintage collections, and new comics. And the next one is using data for demand forecasting. This can be done to reduce excess inventory or to solve the problem of stockouts. And the next one is implementation of e-commerce. As the customers are now shifting from physical buying of the materials to the online ordering, the Heroes Comics should focus on implementing e-commerce on its business to increase its sales and profitability. The last one is conducting regular audits and updating the system. This needs to be done to ensure the inventory system that's being used is working effectively and efficiently. So these are the key performance indicators for measuring whether the inventory system is performing well or not. So these are namely inventory turnover ratio, stock out rates, gross margin return on investment, demand forecasting accuracy, and shrinkage rate.
Hi, we're going to see the proposed inventory control system for the Hero Comics. So we have concluded all these three software which is going to help the Hero Comics to increase their productivity and then control system and then inventory system. So first one is Square for retail and then this has an automatic restarting notification. This is the notification comes when it needs to be restocked, and then this has the sales reporting features and then real-time inventory tracking. When it comes to the real-time inventory tracking, if there is needs to be restock and if it is out of stock, it's going to notify you. It's going to be yeah, this item has to be restocked. So that has the features in it, and then Zoho inventory, which has the bar scanning capabilities, and then it has a multi-scanning channel inventory tracking as well. The last one, there's Sortly. It has a it is exactly the same thing, but it can be accessed via mobile apps, and also it has secure identification. Next slide is this how this implementation of advanced technology is going to impact these softwares. So it is going to reduce the human error for sure. So there is mobile apps, and then there is no by seeing eyes and then counting it. It's all like based on the technologies we use, and then it's going to simplifying stock edits and then enhancing the operational speed adversely. So it's we're going to scan the barcode and then do it. So this is next one is AI powered analytics. So we give the data, and then it's going to tell us when it's we gonna restock and everything, the dates and everything. It's going to calculate the calculations, and then it's going to when it's going to make decisions based on the dates we have given. So this all has to be the staff training strategies. We have to inventory record management. We have to train the staffs, and then we have to tell the staffs how to do the bar scanning codes. And then lastly, we're going to speak about the cost benefits analysis. This software is going to cost you like 2,039 per month for the Zoho inventory, and then equipment cost is going to be $1,000. The total invest is going to be 1,550 to 2,890. So all these benefits going to be enhanced customer satisfactions and then labor efficiency improvements, and then it's going to increase the sales potentially. So this is all the helpful information from research. This is going to help the Hero Comics to better productivity and then gives the customer satisfactions. Thank you.
The recommendation for ERP implementation are Heroes Comics requires a scalable ERP system to improve operations. We recommend NetSuite for its inventory management capabilities and seamless integration with sales channels. The ERP system selection is based on NetSuite offers a robust inventory features and real-time data processing by customizing for its inventory, POS integration, and CRM. We can address the key business needs in this. A phased approach minimizes disruptions and ensures smooth transition. In phase 1, we will focus on inventory management, and phase 2 on sales channels and CRM. In phase 3, all the financial system will be assessed. Each phase will include reviews to address any challenges. Now let's discuss on the measures needed to support this implementation. Successful ERP implementation depends on staff training, data security, and continuous evaluation. Staff training ensures employees fully utilize the system. We will offer hands-on sessions and online tutorials partnering with certified trainers for maximum effectiveness. Strong security protocols will be there to protect the business and customer data. Regular audits and updates will address emerging threats guided by IT security specialists. Quarterly reviews and feedback will optimize the system's performance. Using NetSuite's analytics, we will ensure the ERP system adapts to evolving business needs. By focusing on training, security, and ongoing optimization, Heroes Comics can achieve a seamless and sustainable ERP system implementation.
Strategic decision making. Heroic Comics has a clear opportunity to modernize its inventory management to address inefficiencies and support its growing business needs. By leveraging real time data analytics, we can transition from instinct based decision to fact based strategies, potentially like improving inventory turns by up to 25%. The implementation strategies like involves three phases. The first phase would be the foundation phase. It will take basically about 1 to 2 months. This includes evaluating inventory platforms, upgrading hardware, digitalizing records, and creating a training framework to set the groundwork. The second phase would be pilot testing phase. It will take around like 3 to 4 months. A control implementation will test the system in one department, train staff, and refine processes based on feedbacks. This ensures any issues are resolved before scaling. The final phase would be the full implementation phase. It will take about 5 to 6 months. This system will roll out across the company, synchronizing inventory with the website and integrating ongoing training. Uh, Regular monitoring will ensure we continue optimizing performances. At the end, the conclusion, heroic comics, like by adopting modern tools like shortly or RFID technology, heroic comics will improve accuracy, streamline operation, and enables real-time updates. This phased approach ensures measurable improvements in productivity and customer satisfaction, positioning the company for long-term success within 6 to 12 months. These are the references that we used in our project. Thank you so much.